Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to download a Facebook video. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, comment them down below. So let's start. First, you go to the three dots at the top of the video you want to download. You click them and click copy link. Once you copied it, go to this website, fbdown.net. Now, paste the link here and then click download. Wait for it to download, and then what you want to do, you have three options, more options, download HD, download 4K. You want to go to more options and then force download HD. One disclaimer though, the video will not download if the account is private. So you click force download and it will download to your phone.